Hello, hello! Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. It's me again, Shine, coming to you live from North Carolina, USA. So for those who don't know me, I'm a registered nurse and also a proud online business owner. So for today's live interview, I am so grateful. I am so humbled to have our guest for today. Um, I'm so grateful that I was able to get hold of her despite of her busy schedule as well. But it is for you guys to be able para ma-share namin yung inspiring stories about her journey with this online business opportunity that we are sharing to you. So without further ado, please, I would like you to welcome Coach Mildred. So let me just put her on stage. So, hello, Coach.
Hi, how are you doing, Shine?
Good. How are
Kamusta?
you?
I'm
Okay lang
good.
po. Thank
Thank
you so much for pinaunlakan niyo yung aking request to have this live interview with you. And before we proceed with our interview tonight, please tell us about yourself, where you are from, and what do you do for a living.
Yes, so thank you, Shine, for inviting me to this interview tonight. It is an honor. So my name is Mildred. I am currently in Toronto, but originally from Cebu, Philippines. So Bisaya ta. So I've been living in Canada now for a long time. And before that, I was a flight attendant in the Philippines, and I was also working in HR. Coming to
Oh.
Canada, ang daming trabaho. Alam mo na, pagbago ka sa Canada, right? So, iba-ibang klaseng trabaho in the corporate world, tapos customer service, a call center, and then I went back to my field in social work with a nonprofit organization and the government as well here in
Oh,
Canada.
so you work multiple jobs din pala.
Yes, oo. Hindi multiple jobs na sabay-sabay, pero if I feel like I need to look for something else or for growth, then I look for another job, right? So, yes, until you find the one that you really want.
Oh, but initially, Coach, you were a flight attendant talaga before
Yes, I
you
was a
became
flight attendant. When I finished my university in Cebu, and I worked muna with human resources with uh, one of the biggest companies back home in the Philippines. And I said, I love to travel, So the best way to see the world, and earn at the same time is join the airline and be a flight attendant. So I joined the major airline in the Philippines. So I did that
so
for almost 12 years.
mhm. So, Coach, like when you were a flight attendant, you said you also became a social worker.
My
You were,
background, my
yeah,
my education was in psychology and social work. That is
okay.
my education, right? Oh, that's
So,
what I went to university for. But
so, so, Coach, what do you call this? From what I learned from you right now, so you really love helping people.
oh
Like,
yes, oo, yan na talaga inside of me. That is ever since, even before this business came about, right? So it's about helping people, service to people, and that is why I also love my job as a flight attendant because we were serving, make sure the passengers were taken care of, and they were comfortable, and if they had any other needs, we were there to attend to their needs, right? When they are flying with us. Yeah.
yeah, same
Mhm.
with us in the healthcare, profession.
Right? Oo. In the healthcare industry. Tama. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, with that being said, Coach, what led you to explore new income opportunities? Was your salary way back then wasn't enough, or are you just
No, in fact, working in the Philippines, my job there, it was one of the best companies, right? So you would say these are the companies that people would work and will stay until they retire. But I wanted, I'm very adventurous. I'm very adventurous. So and I always look for a challenge, right? So it is very comfortable. We were paid very well, but I wanted something more, like to challenge myself, right? So first of all, I love to travel the world, so I did that. And then coming to Canada, you have to start somewhere, yes, but even if you have a good paying job here in Canada, right? It still is not enough, I find, and especially if you have a family. So I have been looking for something else to augment that income, even with a good paying job. Yeah, I had great jobs, but I knew that I needed to do something to really help me move forward and eventually to leave a legacy for my loved ones, my family, right? And
yeah.
really my passion is really to help others, empower others to thrive and live their best lives.
Yes. I think that's yan din po yung mostly um reasons why people, venture nowadays to any businesses, whether it may be traditional or
Yes.
going to online, the online space,
Oo.
because that is to augment their income,
Oo,
'di ba?
totoo 'yan, totoo.
Like like for me, for example, like it's a fact that nurses are one of the highest paid job here in the US.
Mhm,
But
mhm.
then I ventured on this online business. It's because yung I just thought of having trading my time so much to
Yeah,
my
yeah.
work, like,
Oo.
I have three children pa, 'di ba?
Oo,
So, like, I missed a lot of milestones,
milestones.
missed a lot
Hmm,
of
that's so
uh,
true.
important, important things on their life
Ay
just
naku,
because
totoo
I'm
'yan.
working so much, 'di ba? So,
Yeah.
that led me to search for something to really supplement our income without sacrificing our time, especially that we have still a growing children here,
Mhm.
'di ba?
Totoo 'yan. Oh my gosh, I remember so much when my son was still young, nandito na sa Canada, right? Winter, in the midst of winter, I wake up so early. I have to wrap him up kasi baby pa. So I have to rush and take him to the daycare or the babysitter so I can go to work. 6 o'clock in the morning. Can you imagine? Ang dilim-dilim pa nun, di ba? Ang dilim-dilim. Tapos kailangan ko iwanan sa daycare, sa babysitter. Oh my gosh, all those years. And syempre, if you're working full-time, right? Uh, wala kang choice. Wala kang ibang katulong dito. Hindi gaya sa atin na meron kang yaya or merong ibang tao doon na pwedeng tumulong sa iyo kasi everybody is working, right? So
Mhm.
ang sakit noon sa dibdib ko na, oh my gosh, I have to leave my baby sa babysitter. Napakasakit. But because kailangan magtrabaho, yan ang sacrifice, di ba? Pero ang sakit noon, kaya sabi ko, no, if I can help other young moms, young families do something else so they can spend more time with their young growing children, then that is what I'm passionate about talaga. Kasi ayokong dumaan sila dun sa dinaanan ko na ganun. It's not easy. Lalo na pag may sakit yung anak mo. Pag may sakit yung anak mo, you cannot bring them to daycare kasi mahahawa yung ibang bata, right? You can't bring
Yes.
them to daycare or the babysitter. So ano mangyari? Walang iba. So I have to take time off from work. Oh my goodness. Ang daming beses na, you know, and dito, you cannot just take time off from work. Kasi syempre marami kang responsibilities, right?
Mm-hmm.
So kailangan talagang so many times, you get in trouble too. You get written up kasi ano ba to, parati na lang absent or parati na lang late, right?
And
Kasi
then, Coach,
because of the situation.
dyan din po ba no work, no pay?
Yes, although kung may sakit ka talaga, you can of course use your sick leave, right? Merong sick leave. Pero pag ganyan na emergency, ay walang bayad yun, right? So,
Kasi,
syempre, kung one income ka lang, although, you're earning well, right? You have a good paying job. But, kung instances na ganito, kung ikaw lang mag-isa, it's really tight. Dalawa na nga kung minsan 'di ba husband and wife, they're both working, kulang na kulang pa rin 'yon, 'di ba? So kailangan talaga mag-ano tayo na maghanap. Kaya ako talagang passionate ako no na I have been looking for another business to be doing on the side. And I tried different businesses, right? Pero kung tinay, naging financial advisor pa ako. I got licensed to be a financial advisor here in Canada. Pero sabi ko, but it's not for me, right? So I never stopped looking. Talagang hanap ako ng hanap hanggang nahanap ko to. So sabi ko, ito na yung answered prayer na hinihiling ko talaga sa Lord. So I'm so thankful and and the rest is history.
yeah. Yeah.
Talagang
Kaya nga, ano po you're one of the people that I look up in our online community because with your age right now, you didn't let your age defy
ay
what you
naku
can
ha,
do.
anong ibig sabihin niyan? Anong age? Hoy, bata pa tayo.
Bata pa ba tayo, Coach? No,
I get
kasi
what you're saying. Basta ako in denial.
yes, Coach, no, because people think online is for young, sa mga
No,
kabataan lang.
no. I always say, alam mo, as a social worker, yung sa trabaho ko talaga, we help so many people from all walks of life, right? We deal with new immigrants, with refugees, the youth, the seniors, lahat ng klaseng tao. But it doesn't matter. I believe that you are never too young to lead and never too old to learn. So as
Yeah.
long as there's life, there's hope. Why will you stop? Why will you let your age define your future? No,
Yes.
you have to keep on going. Because I believe in ongoing learning na kailangan tayong open tayo dyan na matuto tayo sa kung ano ito sa internet, itong, di ba, you have to be tech savvy. Although, I know enough to do my work wherever I was. But dito sa business, merong ibang mga areas na kailangan matuto ka. So, anong mangyari? May training tayo, di ba? So, isa-isa, unti-unti. Or i-Google mo. Or mag-search ka sa YouTube. How do I do this? How do I do that? Right? So, that's how we learn. One step at a time. Right? So, because of this nga, kailangan yun ang mindset. It really is mindset in business, in life in general. It's your attitude about what happens to you, whether in your career, in your family, in your relationships, in your business. Mindset is key. Diba?
Yes.
Positivity. Yun talaga.
Yeah, mindset is power nga eh. Like
Yeah.
in everything we do, like even if we are burdened by so much, negativity, challenges in our life, let's
Mm-hmm.
just think it on a positive side. 'Di ba? Kasi
Ganun talaga kailangan. Yeah.
Kasi minsan coach, 'di ba, like maybe those opportunities that are presented to you right now, maybe those are the things that you have been praying for, right? Just in front of you, like it has been laid out for you already. You just have to keep an open mind to look at it if it is right for you or if it is fit for you or not, right?
Yes. Correct. Correct yun.
So far, coach, what
Mm-hmm.
changes has our online business brought to your life now? Like how long have you been doing this business? right now?
I've been doing this actually for 4 years. 4 years.
Wow.
Because at that time, in 2020, that was when the pandemic happened, right?
Yes.
So we were working in the office, we were all called, and they said, okay, because of what's happening, we don't know how long this is going to be. You have to start working from home. And we never worked from home before kasi client facing kami. We have to meet with the clients face to face. But because of what was happening, they had to adjust, just all of a sudden, ASAP, you have to adjust. Okay, sige. So I worked from home for a few months and I said, ooh, this is going to change. The whole employment work is going to change dramatically. And I knew already because we knew what was happening with the employers, with the businesses. Kasi yun ang trabaho ko, right? We help people secure work. And so we were in communication with the employers and the business owners. And we knew that they were going to close down, they were going to cut down on people. And of course, there's going to be a trickle effect. Pati kami, maapektuhan yan. All the other companies, maapektuhan. Nobody is immune to that. And nobody is indispensable. Yun. Hindi ibig sabihin na may trabaho ka, you think you're there forever, right? You may be
Yes.
the best one, but nobody is indispensable. Kung
Yes.
kailangan yung company, whatever, no? We're talking about the corporate world. Kung kailangan sila mag-cut down to survive, they will cut you off. And where does that leave you? Where do you go if you don't have a backup plan?
Yeah.
You'll be struggling. Para kang fish out of water. Oh my gosh, nawalan na akong trabaho. Akala ko ito na forever. Walang forever.
Para
nangyayari yan.
para
Kailangan, we have to prepare, we have to be realistic and prepare ourselves. Right? Sabihin mo na, oh, I have a job right now, but no, I know a lot of people lost their jobs. Companies shut down. We know already, right? What happened. And even to this day, companies still continue to, because of that effect of what happened 4 years ago, a lot of companies were not able to rise up again. Talagang nag-close down na talaga sila. Yung iba talagang struggle pa, and little by little, they try to be lean. Meaning, how to be lean? They look at places or areas in the company where they could cut down, whether it's through marketing, advertising, or people themselves. And with the onset of AI, with artificial intelligence, this is not a gloom and a day, right? But the reality is we have to see what is happening in the world. Talagang titingnan mo. Kasi ngayon, marami ng automation. So, ibig sabihin, yung mga tao that used to do these jobs, they will be taken over by robots.
they can be
Automation,
replaced. Yeah.
artificial intelligence, right? What is happening right now? Oh my gosh, AI right now we have been seeing that for the past few years, and it's going to take over, right? Everything now is going to be online. And there's a lot of companies we know that are merging. Nagbe-merge yung mga companies para mag-survive sila. Kunwari, itong big company bought another big company, right? Nakikita natin yun. It's always in the news, right?
Yes.
That's another thing. I don't really read the news right now because it's all negative. So anyway, the things that I need to know, I get to know anyway. So, pero still abreast ako. I'm still abreast of what is happening in the industry, in the finance world, maraming nangyari. So, let's not be blind to what is happening. Kailangan talaga may reality check tayo. Na, okay, I need to prepare myself. How? It's either you get a new skill, you always learn something new, so you become more indispensable, if so, or, you look for a backup plan, right?
Yeah, plan B.
Plan B. Kasi
Yes.
kung pumasok ka sa trabaho mo at wala kang ibang napag-aralan o ibang training or, you haven't updated your skills, you are gonna be left behind. Because a lot of people go through trainings, go to conferences, they attend other workshops to upgrade their skills, di ba? Kailangan
Mm.
maging ano tayo, we have to be proactive, hindi
Yes.
reactive. A lot of times, kasi we become very comfortable where we are. Na okay, I have a job anyway. I'm
Yeah.
comfortable, you know? I'm
Mhm.
okay. I'm okay.
That's
Okay.
the problem. Yeah.
Oo, parang,
Agree.
but are you okay with just being okay? No. You are meant to have an abundant life, right?
Yes, I agree with that,
A
coach.
life of abundance talaga. And
Mm-hmm.
binigyan tayo lahat ng Panginoon ng kanya-kanyang mga skills, di ba? We have a lot of skills. We have a lot of God-given talents. Gamitin natin yun, not just for ourselves, but also to help others around us. Not just for us, but for others. And the more you help others, the more na talagang nabibigyan ka ng iba pang paraan na makatulong sa mas marami. And that is what I'm passionate about.
Yeah.
Reality check
Wo-
that.
So, if you don't mind, coach, when did you quit your job?
Oh my gosh.
When did you retire?
Okay. So, nung 2020, so I worked a few months at home. Sabi ko, no, this is going to change. Uy, marami na tayong viewers, oh. Andyan si Coach Tina. Tina! Ayan si Coach Tina from Florida. Tsaka
Ah,
si
walang
June.
forever.
Ah,
At saka yung husband ko si June nanonood.
ayun. Alam mo, pwede mo ipakita yon.
Alin po?
Pwede mo i-click yon and show their comments.
Ay,
See? We're learning on the spot here. Ganyan.
yes.
We're
I just
learning. Always learning.
I can just see the messages here, but I don't know how to put it
Meron
in
dyan sa, sa right corner.
a
Makikita mo to
show.
show.
Yeah.
Ayan. See?
See? Hello, ladies.
Tina.
Hello.
Ayan. Tina and June
So,
watching.
mabalik tayo, coach.
Walang forever,
When?
sabi ni Tina, walang
Kaya nga,
forever.
so, coach, um, when did you quit your job? When did you retire?
Okay. So, I've been praying for this, right? So, finally, this came to me. So this was really an answered prayer. I knew that this was the prayer, the answer to my prayer. So I did not waste any time. I jumped right away. I went right away and started strong. And then a few months into the business, even less than a year before starting the business, I was able to quit my job and become boss free,
Oh,
and thereby also retiring earlier. So I am so thankful. I'm so grateful talaga. Ang bait talaga ni Lord. Ang bait ni Lord na binigay yon na
God is good.
finally. Yeah.
Like,
Oo.
yeah, as I have mentioned nga po earlier, di ba, na-mention nyo rin kanina na you just have to keep an open mind. Like, also you have to learn new skills, di ba? Para
Yeah.
ma-engage mo rin yung sarili mo in
Yes.
order to, halimbawa, dumating man yung panahon na kakailanganin mong kakailanganin mo yung new skills na yon para sa plan B mo. So you are equipped. You are
Yeah.
ready to, ready ka ng lumaban, 'di ba?
Kailangan talaga. Mindset is so key. Sabi nga nila, yung mindset is 80%. Skill set is only 20%.
Person.
Can you imagine that? Kasi yung skills na yan, matututunan mo yan eh. But it all starts here. So you have to really, you have to wrestle with the mind na, kasi kung minsan, no, masyado mahirap yan. Marami tayong mga sinasabi, right? So
Yes.
I just wanted to share with you something here that I learned just this afternoon, right? Kasi sometimes marami tayong mga excuses, right? So ito, sabi ng mga tao, I'm too busy, wala akong time. Diba yung mga excuses? Wala akong time, I'm too busy. Or sabi, I'm so tired and exhausted after work. I don't have the energy to do this business, right? Or nahihiya ako, shy ako, and I don't want to create, any posts or videos, right? Ang daming or else I don't have, the resources, right? But the important thing is, kailangan ako, at marami sa atin na-realize na, no, kailangan may gawin tayo. We have to get out of our comfort zone
Yes.
and really take that leap of faith. Because if we don't, you're gonna be where you are a year from now.
Yes.
Okay, so 4 years na ako. Yung mga taong kakilala ko 4 years ago, nandun pa rin sila. Doon pa rin. Nagrereklamo pa rin sa trabaho nila. Okay? Wala pa rin ganun pa rin. Walang pagbabago, walang pag-unlad. Diba? So, gusto natin move forward tayo. Diba? Ganun yun.
Diba, Coach, sabi nga nila, nothing changes if nothing change.
Correct.
Diba?
Ayan, no? Kasi kung parati lang tayo may excuse, ayan, definitely nothing will change sa current situation mo. Pero, di ba? Kasi kung masyado tayong negative, how can we succeed in life? Di ba? So the choice, it boils down to your choice. Ano bang choice mo sa buhay mo? Ano bang klaseng buhay gusto mo? Ano bang gustong gawin? Anong dream mo? Anong goal mo? Yun ang dapat atin natin. Di ba?
Like,
yun ang importante.
Like, would you like to be in the same place as you are now? So in the years to come? So yung mga things to contemplate probably. Na,
parang yung kasabihan, they just grin and bear it. Sabi, oh my gosh, ito na naman. Parang stress na stress sila going back to work, right? They know, stressed out na sila. It's already affecting their health. Kasi it was also affecting my health. Yung job ko. So, I ended up in hospital actually. It's a very stressful job, when you're always giving, helping. Nakakapagod din. So, marami ring naapektuhan. Ending up in hospital. I ended up in hospital too. Because sabi ko, no, something has to change. I've been working so many years. And, I know that my God is a God of promises. And I hang on to that. And yes, if you believe, then you can do it. If you really want to do something, anybody can help you. But if you don't want to, then nobody can help you.
Yes, I agree.
Dami ng sayings na ganun. So talaga, bottom line, nasa tao talaga yung, what kind of life do you want? Do you want to live that okay life, mediocre life na hirap ka na, day in, day out? But there is another way. Baka hindi pa nila alam. There is another way. It's not just employment. It is really to do another business.
Yeah.
Tapos yan, marami yan. Kasi meron ding business na yung meron ka talagang tindahan or brick and mortar, tawag nila, di ba? Iba naman yon. Matatali ka rin doon.
So parang empleyado ka din.
The online was the best solution for me because I don't want to start from scratch. It is already done for you. You just have to do your part. Andyan yung back office natin, di ba? And you don't start from scratch. Oh my goodness. Ano pa hinahanap nila? This is it.
With that being said, Coach, what insights can you offer to our audience who is seeking to earn extra income?
You know what? Take that leap of faith. If you have been seeing this before and you think these people are not real, we are real.
You are real. Coach, you are real.
Ha?
You are real. You are a living proof that this business really works.
Yes.
You have retired.
Hindi kami mga artista na binabayaran lang para magsalita dito or makikita mo sa ads. We are real people, right? We are not gonna show our faces kung hindi to totoo. So, these are real,
Like, I remember, Coach, one time I post like, parang isusugal ko ang pangalan ko at mukha ko sa Facebook. I mean, dito sa business opportunity na to because I know this is real. Like, this is a legit business that we are offering here.
Yeah.
Like, because if this is not real, why would I flaunt my name? Why would we?
I will not talk to you. I don't want to be interviewed if this is not for real.
Right?
Kasi makikita ka ng mga kaibigan mo, mga classmate mo, pamilya mo, 'di ba? Mga kamag-anak mo, 'di ba? No, but this is real and we are built on integrity. So that is the most important thing to me. Because integrity, it doesn't matter if you have the most money, but if you don't have integrity, then I cannot trust you. I cannot, you don't have my trust. But here, we are built on integrity. We treat each other with dignity and respect, right? And we have been growing exponentially for the
Yeah.
past 8 years. So it's really very new. 8 years pa lang tayo. So actually, we're still a baby. So now is actually the best time to start. So if you've seen this, insights, take a leap of faith. Take a risk. Because talaga, this is calculated risk. Wala naman talagang risk dito. Because all you have to do is check it out for free and find out if it's for you. If it's not for you, then you know it's not for you. But give yourself the chance to
Yeah.
take a look at this and find out for yourself, ano ba talaga to? Ano ba tong pinagsasabi nila dito? Totoo ba to? Tingnan mo. Gaya ng ginawa namin, we all take a look at it. We're all adults, right? And we do not force people to come in because bottom line, hindi kami nagre-recruit. Hindi kami naghabol ng mga tao. Because you, the person, you will have to be the one to run your own business. Sarili mo tong negosyo. You are going to be the CEO and the founder, right? Of your empire, of your business empire. So,
Yes.
it's up to you. Kung ayaw mo magtrabaho, magpahinga ka muna, matulog ka muna, edi wala mangyayari sa'yo. Right? Like in work, kung may trabaho ka, patamad-tamad tayo, di ba? Kung minsan yan na, or else, hindi natin siniseryoso yung trabaho natin, or absent, ay tatanggalin ka sa trabaho.
Mm-hmm.
In business, this is your own business. So why not give it your best? Give it your best. We only have one life to live. Ito yun. Why not give it your best? Try. At least you live life without regrets. Kasi ako, yan ang motto ko. Yan talagang motto ko. Kaya ganito, yung maraming tao kasi, iba sila, di ba? Ako, if I feel na gusto ko pa mag-challenge sa trabaho ko, gano'n, maghahanap talaga ako ng ibang paraan. That's why I already had a great paying job in the Philippines. And people stay until they retire. Sabi ko, no, but I love to travel. I want to travel the world, right? We have been exposed to that, to aviation since we were young. Kasi my father was a pilot. So parati kaming nasa eroplano, parati kaming nag-travel. So gusto ko rin mag-travel pa around the world. To Europe, right? Asia, Australia, Saudi Arabia, all over. And that's what I did. So coming to Canada, yung gusto ko matry yung iba-ibang mga industries until I find the fit. That works for me. For some people, it doesn't. That's fine. Because it's a personal choice, right?
Yeah. It's
Personal
a personal
choice yan.
choice
Yeah.
talaga siya.
Diba?
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Katulad nung na-mention ng husband ko kanina, continuous learning is part of life. And in a matter of survival, everything can be learned.
Correct.
And then
Totoo yan.
sabi rin ni Ma'am Tina here, listening to you both makes me super inspired. Thank you, ladies. Thank you for
Tina.
watching, Tina. Yeah. Kasi it's
Inspire me
actually,
too, Tina.
yeah, actually, this business is not just, we're not just achieving our financial goals here. Like, we are building relationships here, right?
Yes, true.
Hindi lang tayo puro yung parang puro finances and all, but
No.
we help people to to um, learn on their own by guiding them, by showing them the right way, because according to to people, I mean to as we all know, successful people leaves footprints, 'di ba?
Correct.
So, we are following the footsteps of those who are successful because we ourselves, we want to be successful also.
Of
But in
course.
order for us to do that, syempre, we need to help ourselves.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Equip our
Kailangan gumalaw tayo
yes.
to act. We have to
Kasi
do
'di ba
something.
yes, 'di ba kasabi nga nila coach, nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa,
Yes, totoo yan.
'di
Totoo
ba?
yan.
So,
Lalo na, 'di ba? Marami tayong mga Filipinos. Filipinos are so, passionate about helping their families. They're so hardworking. Marami OFWs, right? All over
yes.
the world. Lalo na sa Saudi Arabia, all over Asia, sa Europe, all over the world. Of course, the US, Canada, right? Australia, lahat-lahat. So, mahirap din sa kanila dahil separated sila sa pamilya nila, di ba?
Yeah.
So, kung may nakikinig dito, yung mga OFWs, or even if you're not an OFW, whatever, wherever you are in the world, right? Doesn't matter what nationality you are, what other walk of life you are in. But if you really want to do something and to change your life, take a look at this. Kasi this can be a life-changing opportunity. It has been life-changing for me and for thousands of other people, right?
Yes.
Ako talaga, napaka-inspiring ba? Nakikita mo araw-araw yung mga wala na, from being homeless, so nakabili na sila ng bahay nila. So eventually, after a few years, nabayaran na. Imagine, nabayaran na yung mga utang nila. Lahat
Yes.
ng debt. Nakabili
Mhm.
sila ng bahay. Natulungan nila yung pamilya nila dito. At saka back home sa Pilipinas. Nakapagpadala ng mga kailangan sa Pilipinas. Lalo naman sa atin. Alam mo, pag may emergency, pwede magpadala ka ng mga may sakit si ganito, nasa ospital. O kailangan ng gamot, kailangan pa doktor, di ba? That's common. But
Yeah.
if you are only working enough for you and your family, how can you help others if you don't have extra? Right? So kung
Masakit.
ang sakit, di ba?
Masakit na parang gusto mong tumulong but wala kang maitulong.
Yeah. Because for yourselves, it's not even enough. So that is why we are blessed to be a blessing to others. With the outpouring, with the overflowing cup, we are able to help others as well. Right? If you have the ability to do this business, right? Why not? Because with that, magiging blessing ka sa pamilya mo at sa marami pang tao. Kung ano may yung sinong gustong tulungan, yung pamilya mo, yung community mo, yung church mo, or mga charity organizations na gusto mo, kung sino man ang gusto mo, di ba? So,
Yes.
hindi mo matutulungan yung iba. You cannot give to others what you don't have.
I agree.
It doesn't just mean finances, even love. If you don't even care for yourself, you don't love yourself, how can you give it to other people? You have to love yourself first. Diba? Kaya nga sabi nila, diba, sa aeroplano, ito, nag-ano kami demo, mga flight attendant. Okay, in the event of a decompression, pull out your oxygen mask, put it on yourself first before you put it on your child. You have to help yourself first. Put the oxygen mask. Because if you don't have that, wala na, nag-pass out ka na. Paano mo matutulungan yung kasama mo, right? So it's practical. Practical talaga eh. Andiyan na, it's not rocket science. It's not rocket science. Anybody can learn this, right? So, di ba, we just came from Mexico. Ang pinakabata doon, I think she was only 19 years old. But as long as you're 18 years old to 80 years old, maski 80 years old, may kasama pa. And they just wanted to do something else rather than just, wala na, travel na lang sila ng travel, na bored na rin sila. They want to do something because you have to live a purpose-driven life. Dahil kailangan may purpose tayo. Hindi lang yung pera, but it's also purpose. Ano bang purpose natin? Para matulungan ang tao. Or to grow ourselves. Yung personal growth natin, professional growth. That is success. Hindi lang by financial means, but how you grow and the effect you have on other people, and as you bless other people, right? So that is success.
Yeah.
It's not
Very
just
well
measured in how much money you have, huh?
Yeah, very well said, Coach. As in,
Thank you.
Ano po ako dyan, kasi Kasi people tend to look sa success sa financial aspect lang. So they are not really looking into the, yung personal growth, yung ibang aspect ng life natin. So
Marami.
it's very good of you to share that one kasi not all people are really aware of what success really means.
So true. Alam mo, because I have worked so many years, right, in aviation, in the corporate world, right, in sales, in marketing, in nonprofit organizations, in government. So I work in so many other fields, and because of that, yung experience mo, you gained a lot of experience, a lot of knowledge as well, right? And this is like wisdom. It's really wisdom because we have been exposed to that, right? And so that's why I love listening to other people who also have worked in different fields because you learn a lot from them. And we in turn can also share that with others who are just starting in the corporate world or in healthcare or whatever field, right? There's so many things and we learn from each other, right? We learn from the younger people, we learn from the more mature people, we learn from each other. Meron tayo parating matututunan. Hindi rin ibig sabihin na mas matagal na kami sa workforce, mas marami kaming alam. Hindi naman ganon. Marami kaming natututunan sa younger generation kasi yung younger, iba naman yung outlook nila. Sila, they're more tech savvy because they were born in that age, right? Yung mga millennials, mga Gen Z. They were born already with laptops, with the cell phones and all that. But the older generation had to learn that, right? So iba. So we learn from each other. If we all have that mindset that we are here to really learn from each other, not to say, ay, naku, bata pa yan, wala pa yung alam yan. Or, naku, matanda na yan, naku, wala nang alam yan. Both ways. We cannot just say and, write them off na, oh my gosh, no, they're too young. Oh, they're too old. No, you cannot. Even God loves all of us, right? You cannot write off anybody.
Yeah.
Everybody has a chance to do this. If you are willing to do it, you want to do something, it has to start from you. Kung gusto mong malaman ito, ay nako, there's nothing that's gonna stop you because there's no limitations here. Can you imagine? Parang, I really thank God na ito talagang binigay ni Lord. Kasi, totoo, di ba, Shine? Parang we found the gold mine. Parang gold mine. At saka you don't want to keep it to yourself. You want to share it with others because it's unlimited. Talagang, thank you, Lord.
Makapa-thank you, Lord na lang talaga.
But they have to take that leap of faith. And they have to they have to do something. They have to take a risk, as with anything in life. Even crossing the street is a risk. Like, even doing this is a risk. But it is a good risk. If you don't do anything, you just stay there the same.
Everything starts with you guys. For those who are watching us and those who will be watching the replay. So it will be on you. So you just have to check it out. Check if it fits for you.
Yeah.
And who knows, it might be for you, right? All you just have to do is check it out.
That's right. And if we do this, you will just be so happy that you came on board and that we're here to really help you. And you know that it is so wonderful because alam mo ba, maski hindi pa tayo magkakilala, pero nag-uusap na tayo because even before this, we were already chatting, right? Na, sino ba to? Sino ba this Shine? So I already kind of knew you. But it's different when you see each other face to face and you talk to each other. Diba?
Yes.
Importante kasi yun. That's so important. You have to build a relationship.
Yeah. And as we said, we are real people. Hindi ito stage act.
O kanina, meron kami technical difficulties, right?
Yeah, technical difficulties.
Ganun yun. We have to deal with it. Kasi talaga, di ba, Shine, lahat na ngayon is online. Online work. 'Di ba? Kami, we had to work online now. We had to work from home. Banking is online. Shopping is online. 'Di ba? Ang dami
Mhm.
shopping. Amazon. Can you imagine Amazon?
Yes.
Maraming boxes dumadating, oh. Grocery shopping online, 'di ba?
Yeah, everything goes online na ngayon, coach. So, according to the news nga daw, for the years to come, it will be more online. So,
Yes.
why wait
'Di ba
for those?
nasa Forbes magazine yan. That was an
Oo.
article.
Yeah. So, why
Forbes
wait for
magazine.
those years for you to start, right?
Start now. We are
The
still
time,
young.
yeah, while the time is young. Yeah, you're correct, coach.
Yeah.
So,
We are still
coach,
young. Hindi, yung business rin, bata pa kasi 8 years old. My goodness.
yeah, and
Start
then
now.
while it's young.
Alam mo ba, when I started 4 years ago, I think wala pa kami 50,000 nun. Can you
I
imagine?
I
Four
think
years ago. Four.
right.
Ngayon, wala na. We are more than 226,000 na, di ba?
Yeah.
Can you imagine?
In 8 years.
Exponential growth. Exponential. And the online businesses are really growing like 10 times faster than the traditional businesses. It is. And if you're not online, you don't really have a business. Because
Yeah.
online, you're open 24/7, right? Yeah.
Yes.
With what is
Um,
happening, I'm so glad we're in the right business right now.
sabi nga, iko-quote ko yung ano, coach ha, iko-quote ko yung quote nila Ali and Mimi Losada, if you know them.
Of course,
Um,
magkasama kaya kami sa Mexico.
oh, kasama ko rin sila kahapon. Nagpunta kami
Ah,
sa bahay nila. So
okay, that's good.
sabi niya ganyan na, do this business online or you will fall behind.
Correct.
'Di ba?
Correct.
'Yun yung quote nila, 'di ba? Kasi I mean, AI, nag-i-start na tayo ng AI,
Ay,
everything goes
nako. Yes.
online
Years ago,
for the
yeah.
coming years. So why not start now while it's still young, 'di
Yeah.
ba?
There's
So
no better time to start than now.
yeah.
Do not regret. Now, oh, I should have done it. Oh, I should have tried that. It's like, oh my gosh, now it's too late, di ba?
Mm.
Try
And
it.
yeah, and then syempre, if we really have our, goal to retire early, 'di ba? Make this a chance for you to alam mo 'yun,
Of course, so many people are retiring now. Can you imagine? Wala pang 30 years old, nag-retire na. Di ba? Ang dami sa atin. Wala pang 30 years old, nag-retire na. 35 years old, 40. Bibi, the nurse who had 2 jobs, right?
yeah.
Yeah, she was able to retire because, yes, she was a nurse too. She had a good paying job, but still, she had to get 2 jobs. And her husband was also working full time.
Mhm.
So, sa nangyayari ngayon, hindi na talaga sapat, right? So,
Yeah.
kaya ganun.
Mhm.
Mm-mm. Di ba?
So coach, ang dami kong natutunan sa'yo. Ang dami ko pong natutunan sa'yo and thank you so much for sharing your inspiring story and your journey with this online business that we have. And thank you for sharing your valuable insights for our to our audience na manunood ng replay later. And
Mm-mm.
then we will just leave you a message that if opportunity knocks, open the door. Right? So
Because it may not come back,
yes, because it may not come back.
right? Yeah.
So I think we will just leave it to you guys. If you have any inquiries, you have questions you have in mind, you can just you can send me a direct message so I can guide you here. So maybe if you will be interested and you may think na this business will be for you, I guarantee you will see Coach Mildred in the online community.
Nandito tayo. Totoo ito.
And then no, what I'm trying to say, Coach, is you will be there for them
Oh,
if in case
yes.
they will need your
Of
help
course.
with
Of course. Oo.
if they will start also with the
Yeah.
business.
Yeah.
So again, Coach, thank you so much for your
And
time.
thank you too. It is an honor. It is an honor to be here.
I am
Thank you for
humbled.
inviting me, Shine.
Thank you so much, Coach, and we'll see you again for more live
Yes.
sessions with real people and with real business. Thank you,
Yes.
guys.
Thank you, everybody. Huwag ka muna
Bye.
umalis. Usap pa
Okay.
tayo.
Okay. Thank you, Coach.
Thank you, everybody. God bless.
God
Bye.